Hi, everybody. Susan with Furry Feline Monsters of Mass Destruction. I wanted to show you, I decided to move the newest cat tree that was in the master bedroom into the kitchen in front of the window. Here's why. Dewey got on it the first day, and then everybody went back to their old habits in the master bedroom. They were like, oh, nice cat tree. Think we'll get on the bed or up on the shelf. So I brought it in here and look. Everybody wants it. There's Trey in the window, Willow approaching, Deuce getting in the old stove. There goes Willow hopping up into the little cave. Dewey's like, oh yeah, I like this in front of the window. And Julie's like, well, if I get a chance, I'll get up there. Sorry about the paint supplies. When you live in a house built in 1939, it's always ongoing, especially when you're do-it-yourselfers. And Wang Cheng says, well, I don't know. We'll see as time goes by. So, yeah. I think I found the spot. And although precious viewer, sub, who sent the gift, although you did order it for me for the master bedroom, I think it's going to be enjoyed more right here in front of a window. And during nice weather, that window gets opened. So, all right. As usual, one of my just not very good, sort of sloppy videos, but I like to keep you guys updated. Okay. This has been Susan and Dastardly Doolittle, Willow Wisp, Julie Newmar, Deuce McKenzie, Trey Amigos, and my Wang Cheng Cheetah Burrito. Thank you all so much for viewing, for subbing, for sharing. We love you guys. See you later.